What makes brilliant office cleaning stand out? As a family-owned business with extensive industry experience, we offer unmatched expertise. Plus, we believe in our services so much that we don't require binding contracts. Discover the difference with us. Our quality, environment, and occupational health and safety systems are certified with ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 standards respectively. We hold $20 million in public liability insurance and Workcover Insurance. Compliance with Australian cleaning regulations is a priority. Our dedication to safety and compliance protects both our clients and employees. Our prices are unbeatable, yet we exceed quality expectations. With police-cleared staff, reliability is guaranteed. We're committed to using eco-friendly, ISO-certified products, ensuring safety for everyone. Experience high-quality cleaning without breaking the bank. We offer a wide range of services tailored for all business types. General offices, medical practices, childcare centres, warehouses, aged care centres, cafes, hotels and hospitals are only few of them. Our office cleaning services include detailed cleaning of kitchens, reception areas and more. We understand the importance of maintaining a clean environment for both health and safety. Let us handle your cleaning needs with precision. We employ quality control procedures, including activity monitoring systems and regular audits. Client feedback is integral to our service improvement. Our commitment ensures you receive top-notch cleaning services every time. Ready to experience the brilliant difference? Contact us today to discuss your cleaning needs. Let's work together to create a pristine and welcoming environment for your business. Your satisfaction is our priority.